In the realm of alternative medicine, a revolutionary concept is taking center stage. It's the idea that sound vibrations could potentially cure cancer. This may sound like science fiction, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Every object in the universe vibrates at a specific frequency. This includes our body's cells. When these frequencies are disrupted, it can lead to disease. Cancer cells, in particular, are known to vibrate at a different frequency than healthy cells. This is where the theory of vibrational healing comes into play. By exposing cancer cells to specific frequencies, we might be able to disrupt their growth or even destroy them altogether. It's a fascinating concept that's gaining traction in holistic health circles. The human body is incredibly responsive to sound. We've known for years that music can affect our mood and emotions, but what if it could do more? What if the right frequencies could actually heal our bodies at a cellular level? This is the question that researchers are now exploring, and the results so far are promising. Vibrational healing isn't just about music, though. It encompasses a range of therapies. These include sound baths, tuning forks, and even specialized frequency generators. The goal is always the same: to restore balance to the body's natural frequencies. By doing so, we may be able to promote healing in ways we never thought possible. It's a holistic approach that treats the body as a complex, interconnected system. One of the most intriguing studies in this field involves a rather unexpected instrument, the harp. Dr. Stathis Psillos, a researcher at the University of Athens, conducted a groundbreaking experiment. He exposed cancer cells to the vibrations of a harp. The results were nothing short of astonishing. The cancer cells began to break apart and die. Dr. Psillos' experiment was meticulous. He cultured cancer cells in Petri dishes. Then he placed these dishes near a concert harp. A professional harpist played specific melodies for several hours a day. After just a few days, the researchers noticed significant changes. The cancer cells were shrinking. Some were even self-destructing through a process called apoptosis. What makes this experiment so fascinating is its simplicity. There were no drugs involved, no radiation, just the pure natural vibrations of a musical instrument. The implications are enormous. Could we really have a non-invasive, side-effect-free treatment for cancer? It's a tantalizing possibility that deserves further exploration. The HARP experiment isn't just about cancer, though. It opens up a whole new field of study. If sound vibrations can affect cancer cells, what else might they be able to do? Could we treat other diseases this way? Could we use sound to boost our immune systems? These are the questions that researchers are now grappling with. The HARP experiment may have been just the beginning of a new era in medicine. Now let's bring this concept closer to home. If a harp can have such a profound effect on cancer cells, what about the guitar? It's an instrument found in millions of homes worldwide. Could it be a potential tool for healing? The answer might surprise you. Guitars produce a wide range of frequencies. Some of these could potentially match the resonant frequencies of cancer cells. The guitar's versatility is key here. Different strings, different tunings, different playing styles, all produce unique vibrations. This means that a skilled guitarist could potentially tune their playing to target specific types of cancer cells. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. In fact, some alternative health practitioners are already experimenting with this concept. One of the advantages of using a guitar for healing is its accessibility. Unlike specialized medical equipment, guitars are readily available. Almost anyone can learn to play basic chords. This could make guitar-based vibrational therapy a truly democratic form of healing. Imagine a world where cancer patients could supplement their treatment by simply strumming a guitar. Of course, it's not quite that simple. The exact frequencies needed to disrupt cancer cells are still being researched, and not all cancers may respond the same way, but the potential is there. Guitar-based therapy could be a non-invasive, low-cost addition to traditional cancer treatments. It might not replace chemotherapy or radiation, but it could potentially enhance their effectiveness while reducing side effects. Section 4, Big Pharma's resistance to natural cures. As exciting as these discoveries are, they face significant opposition. The pharmaceutical industry has a vested interest in maintaining the status quo. Cancer treatment is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Natural, low-cost therapies like vibrational healing threaten that business model. As a result, Big Pharma often dismisses or downplays research into alternative treatments. This resistance isn't just about money, though, it's also about mindset. Many in the medical establishment are skeptical of treatments that don't fit the traditional pharmaceutical model. They demand rigorous, large-scale clinical trials. While this caution is understandable, it can also stifle innovation. Vibrational therapies, being relatively new and unconventional, often struggle to get funding for such trials. Some doctors funded by pharmaceutical companies actively campaign against alternative therapies. They label them as pseudoscience or quackery. This creates a climate of fear and doubt. Patients who might benefit from vibrational therapies are discouraged from trying them. Even researchers interested in studying these methods may hesitate, fearing for their professional reputations. Despite this resistance, interest in vibrational healing continues to grow. More and more patients are seeking out holistic natural treatments. They're tired of the side effects and high costs of conventional therapies. As demand increases, it's becoming harder for the medical establishment to ignore these alternative approaches. The tide may be slowly turning, but there's still a long way to go before vibrational healing is accepted in mainstream medicine. Section 5. The promise of musical medicine. Despite the obstacles, the potential of musical medicine is too great to ignore. Vibrational healing offers a new paradigm in healthcare. It's an approach that treats the body as a whole rather than just targeting symptoms. This aligns well with the growing interest in holistic health and wellness. More and more people are seeking treatments that work with their body's natural processes. One of the most exciting aspects of vibrational therapy is its lack of side effects. Unlike many conventional cancer treatments, sound-based therapies don't harm healthy cells. They don't cause nausea, hair loss, or immune suppression. This means that even if they're not a complete cure, they could greatly improve quality of life for cancer patients. They could potentially allow for lower doses of conventional treatments, reducing side effects. The potential applications go beyond cancer too. Researchers are exploring the use of vibrational therapies for a wide range of conditions. These include chronic pain, depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative diseases. The idea is that by restoring the body's natural frequencies, we can promote overall health and well-being. It's a holistic approach that could revolutionize how we think about medicine. Moreover, vibrational therapies like guitar playing have an added benefit. They're enjoyable. Unlike taking a pill or undergoing a medical procedure, playing music is a pleasurable experience. This could lead to better patient compliance and outcomes. It could also provide psychological benefits, reducing stress and improving mood. In the context of cancer treatment, where mental health is crucial, this is a significant advantage. Section 6. A call for further research and open-mindedness. As we've seen, the potential of guitar vibrations and other sound-based therapies for treating cancer is intriguing, but it's important to remember that this field is still in its infancy. We need more research, more studies, and more data. Only then can we fully understand the potential and limitations of vibrational healing. This calls for an open-minded approach from the scientific community. Funding is a crucial issue. Without adequate resources, researchers can't conduct the large-scale studies needed to validate these therapies. This is where public support becomes important. As more people learn about the potential of vibrational healing, they can advocate for increased research funding. They can also participate in studies, helping to build the evidence base for these treatments. Education is another key factor. Many doctors and healthcare professionals are simply unaware of the research into vibrational therapies. By spreading awareness, we can encourage more medical professionals to consider these approaches. This could lead to more integrative treatment plans, combining the best of conventional and alternative medicine. Ultimately, the goal should be to provide patients with the most effective treatments possible. If guitar vibrations or other sound-based therapies can help in the fight against cancer, we owe it to ourselves to explore this possibility fully. It may not be a miracle cure, but it could be a valuable tool in our medical arsenal. As we continue to research and understand these therapies, we may find that the healing power of music is greater than we ever imagined.